guys, water slime. So yeah, let's do this. All right, let's get straight out into the video. Yo. All right, guys. So this first one, you're supposed to use Dial shampoo. So we're just gonna do that. Add a lot into here because that's what he did. So yeah. Alrighty. Ooh, it's like already globby. Like, yeah, globby. Whoa. Okay, and then you're supposed to get some salt and just like, oh, that sounds weird. Okay, I'm just gonna add it slowly because I think if you add too much, you will melt it. So I'm just gonna mix this, and I think you're actually supposed to mix this like a lot, so I'm gonna try and mix it a lot. So I'm just gonna keep mixing it. Okay, well, it's kind of like not very globby. Well, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I don't want to melt it by putting too much salt, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, and you're supposed to leave it to like kind of dry out, and he said like 6 days for his, so I guess I'm just gonna have to check back on this in 6 days, guys.
1 week later.
Okay, so here is this one. Here's how this turned out. It is very blue. Okay, and it's very, very jiggly and wiggly, but it might still be kind of like slimy, and maybe it doesn't stick. So let's try it out anyways. All right, let's do this. It's very glossy. I'm gonna just try and do it like really fast. Oh. Ooh, this one is bad. Okay, so this one's bad. Oh my gosh. It's like, it's not even, because like sometimes they're like slimy, they're like a cool slimy, but like this one isn't even slimy. It's just like droopy and watery and like, whoa, that one did not do good. Wow, okay, that one was a complete fail. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. This one is terrible. I don't like it, it's horrible. It's not even good for like, just like a bath slime. Okay, that was a fail. All right, guys, so this next recipe is using Softsoap hand soap, I think. And this is the soap that I use, guys. All right, so it is very like weirdly watery and kind of slimy already. Do you see how slimy that is? Like, what the heck? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some salt. Add a little bit. Just mix it all up. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, whoa, I think it's already starting to like slimify. This is so weird, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna try and mix it. I wanna mix it a lot because I noticed he does mix it a lot, so yeah. Okay, it's already actually starting to like not stick to the walls of this like container, which is really cool. It looks like really cool. Here, let me try and show you guys. See that? It's like, it doesn't stick. It's so weird. I feel like this is enough salt. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more just to see. Okay, there. Okay, mix that a lot. This smells so good. And here it is. There is our slime. Oh, whoa, that actually didn't stick. Like, there's a little bit of soap on there, but it actually didn't stick that much. Like, wow. And we'll just let this dry out for like 6 days, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so here's how this would turn out. This one is very clear now, and it's already, I can see that it's really jiggly, but it does look pretty slimy, so I'm excited. Let's test it out. All right, so let's do this. Oh, whoa, that's weird. That is weird. Okay, so it's definitely like really globby and like kind of slimy, but it kind of feels more like hand sanitizer than slime. Like, it's still very, very sticky to my finger, but it's like parts. It's very weird, very thick, and it feels like hand sanitizer, and it's like very cold too. So that is very interesting. This one was a fail, I guess, but it is kind of like a little bath slime jelly type deal, so that's pretty cool too. But yeah, this one was a fail. Yeah, that's all I can say. All right, guys, this next one we're gonna be using Pantene clear shampoo. So let's do this. Okay, so it's a big batch too. So we put like that much, I think is a good amount right here. Then that should be good. And then you're actually supposed to add some water too, and then you're supposed to put some water in it, like 1:4 ratio. So I think, yeah, that should be good. Okay, and then you're gonna add some cream of tartar, just like a little bit. There you go, cream of tartar. Just like a tiny bit on the top. So we're just gonna add some. I think that should be good. And you have to wait like 15 minutes, and then we can mix this afterwards. So yeah, let me just wait 15 minutes. Alrighty, guys, so it's been like 15 minutes now, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. See what happens. Oh, whoa. It actually kind of looks like slime. Okay, so you're just supposed to mix it slowly, I think. Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. Okay, so I've mixed it for a while now, and I kind of just let it set and just let the shampoo go back to the bottom. And now I think you're supposed to you're supposed to skim the excess water off from the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so I skimmed off all the water, and here it is. I think there's still some water. Oh, let me just go ahead and get that. Just still a little bit of water right here. Gonna take that. Okay, so I got all the water that I could off of the top, and now I'm just gonna let it dry out for a night, and we'll see what happens. Cover it and leave it. It's been like a week, and I think the longer you leave them, the thicker they become. So these should be okay. So it's, first of all, it's very, very, very clear. But now let's do the poking test to see if it is actually like slime. Oh, I'm scared because this is just gonna stick all over my hands, isn't it? All right. Oh, wow. Okay, well, that was a fail, guys. This one is completely a fail. It's slimy. Honestly, like this could be like a cool little slime body wash, you know, to play in the bathtub, but this is not slime at all. It's just slimy. It's not slime, but it's slimy. So that one was a fail. Let's go see the other one. Okay, so this was also part of that one, this clear one. But we basically took all the water from the top of this one out, and I just left it in here. Honestly, I just left it in there, and it seemed pretty gooey, so I decided to experiment with it, and I put some cream of tartar in it, a bunch of it, and you can see it at the bottom right there. It kind of just sank down, but basically nothing happened. But I left it here because I just forgot it. So it's been a week now, and it kind of looks globby too, so I wanted to try it out. Let's see what happened to it. Whoa. Okay, well, this actually kind of looks like it turned out better than the actual thing I did. Like, it's more thick and slimy. It's still pretty sticky, very sticky to my finger, but it's very slimy, and honestly, it's pretty cool. It'd be very cool for bath slime too, but it's not a slime, so that is a fail too, even though it wasn't really even anything. But yeah, that was a fail too. Let's try the next recipe. Alrighty, guys, so this next one is supposed to be like a mouthwash one. So first, you're supposed to get some gel facial cleanser, and this is like the thickest cleanser that I can find, so I got this one. Go ahead and put that in there. Oh, whoa, that is very jelly. Okay, all right, and then the next thing you're supposed to do is add a little bit of mouthwash. All right, so you're just supposed to add a little bit to this just for the smell. So there we go, that's good. Alrighty, let's mix that in. Well, that kind of looks like it activated it. Okay, there we go. All right, next step is to add a little bit of water to help it form, I guess. And that's good. Mix that in there too. It's already really globby. Okay, and then you're supposed to add some iodine salt, and it's supposed to be like iodized, like otherwise it won't work. So yeah, there we go, then that's good. Mix that up. And then you're supposed to put it in the freezer, but he said that it didn't work like that. He had to put it in the freezer, and he took it out like a while after. Then he had to add some shampoo to it, and then it worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the shampoo now. We have some coconut shampoo. That's the shampoo he said. Add that in there. Oh, that's thick. Wow. Okay, well, this is really weird and thick and like really globby. So that is interesting. It smells very, very good. It's already starting to kind of like slimify. I don't know if you guys can see that. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the freezer. Okay guys, so here is this one. I left it in the fridge for a while now, and it actually has bubbles on the top, which is really cool because it kind of looks like clear slime, so I'm excited for that. And then and it looks pretty thick too. And on the bottom, it's kind of cleared up, so that looks interesting too. And when I like turn it like this, it doesn't drip that much, so I'm excited for this one. Okay, so let's try it. Okay. Oh, no way. It's like actually like really sizzly. Okay, so I'm gonna poke it. This is so weird. Okay, I'm just gonna like try and get it out. Oh yeah, that did not work. All right, we're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put that back in. It kind of reminds me of a shower jelly, honestly, which is really cool because it's kind of like a gelatin-free shower jelly. And I feel like if you just would do a little bit more modifying to this, it could be like a really cool shower jelly. It's very cold. I like how it feels. It's cool. It's like an ice pack. But yeah, here's how this turned out. It's very globby. It's a lot more like globby than the other ones. It is still very, very, very sticky. Maybe if I put more like cream and tartar in it, but yeah, it's very sticky and it's super super like, it's not even stretchy at all either. So honestly, I don't even know what I prefer at this point. I don't know if I prefer the other one or this one, because this one's like just as sticky, but it's kind of more like globby and solid. But yeah, this was a fail too. Let's try the next recipe, I guess. Alright guys, so that's it for all the JSH DIY slimes. I decided I'm gonna do a little bonus round really quick, guys. I'm gonna just add all of the shampoos that I got and see what happens. I'm just gonna let it dry out too. So I'm gonna add this Pantene one, and we're gonna add this coconut one. And then I'm gonna add this, whoopsie. This is a 3-in-1 kids shampoo. I didn't use this one in the recipes, but I did buy it, so I'm gonna use it. And then this soft soap one. I didn't use this one either, but I'm still gonna use it. And then this other soft soap, but this one is hand soap. This one isn't body wash. There we go. This dial one, only a little bit because I don't have that much anymore. There we go. This facial cleanser. There we go. And then I'm just gonna mix it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's kind of globbing up, but I feel like that's just, you know, the shampoos. I would add some food coloring, but I kind of don't want to because I feel like that also kind of like thins it out, because it thins out slime. It kind of melts it, so I don't want to add any food coloring. So yeah. All right, so it's pretty slimy. Okay, I'm going to add some salt, just a little bit. And I'm going to mix that too. Oh yes, it's working. It's actually very thick. I'm going to add a tiny bit more salt. And I'm going to just leave it. I'm just gonna leave it for like a week, and I'm gonna leave it uncovered and see if it can dry out. Oh, whoa, did you guys see that? It's actually super thick. Wow, okay. All right, we're gonna leave that for like a week uncovered and see what happens. Okay guys, so here's how this will turn out. It's been a week now, and it actually like cleared up like a lot. Like it used to be kind of like really dark, but now it's actually like, it's still pretty, like there's a dark tint, but it is very clear, as you guys can see. And it actually looks like the thickest from all of them, which is very crazy because I literally just put like everything in here. So yeah, whoa, that is so weird. But it probably still is gonna be like a complete fail, so yeah. No way. Okay, well, it's sticky, okay? But it's not as sticky as the other ones, weirdly. Surprisingly, it's not as sticky as the other ones. And it's actually super thick. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? I got it like to separate. Like there's nothing in there. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Okay, I have to try it from over here again. You guys watch this. Watch closely, all right? Oh, that one wasn't as good. Do you see that? It's almost, oh my gosh, actually so good. Okay, this is like one of the best shampoo slimes I've ever made. Wow, it still does not feel like homemade, you know, clear slime at all, but it's like very, very close, and then you can actually kind of like grab it versus the other ones are kind of just like really slimy and droopy. This one you can actually grab it. It's kind of like oobleck, where like if you keep moving, it'll kind of be slime, but like if you like go slow, it'll just like fall everywhere. But it still sticks to your hands a lot, but this one actually is very, very cool. I like it. I can't believe I actually made this. I don't even remember what I put in it, honestly. Like I put a lot, but wow, this is crazy. You guys rewind and try and recreate this recipe and like post it on Instagram and tag me, because like this is actually so cool. Like this is one of the best shampoo slimes I've ever done, and like it wasn't even a recipe. It was just me messing around like always. Alright guys, so that was very, very interesting. This is really, really fun to do. This is like the first time I've ever like actually waited a while for these slimes. I think my favorite would actually have to be mine that I made. I know that probably sounds like I'm just favoring mine, but that was actually really cool. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite one, or if I'm doing any of these wrong, or if you want to try out my recipe. And that is it. I love you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!